Oh my god. Do you... Why is that blue? Does that person not see this 15-inch... Okay. 15 foot... And... Let me rephrase that. Does anybody see my cock? Alright. What's good, YouTube? We're back with another video. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. 7 Foot Reacts. We're on the road to 10,000 subs. 7,000 first, but 10,000 is the big goal. Yes, I am 7 foot. My wife is 6 foot. We're gonna have some big kids one day. Hopefully they can take over the channel. Who knows where YouTube will be at in 47,422 years. So, we usually do sports, but today we're going to damn nature. You scary. Kind of switching it up. I like to expand on the channel. I like to do a lot of stuff. Pause. But, react to a bunch of different things. Sports is my main thing because I grew up watching sports and playing sports. So, I was a basketball player if you want the smoke. Flight. I'm going to play flight 1 year in basketball, bro. If it's this year, next year, 3 years, I'm playing flight. So, I'm calling him out. But yeah. Damn nature. You scary. This honestly reminds me of something, but I'm just going to keep that to myself, alright? Let's see what we got.
Okay.
Alright, so he is Mike Tyson. He's going to eat it. Bro, he just beat the living tits off of her. Alright. Oh, it's a Cayman Croc. He just swanton bombed him. I would not be laughing. Screw that. When could snakes climb trees? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sean Taylor. From the top rope. Rey Mysterio. Oh, they're beefing. Are those piranhas? Oh my gosh.
Oh, dude. He's eating apples from his
Bro, he's just gonna sit on this tuk-tuk. That tuk-tuk is done for. Bro, why did he move that with such ease? What the hell is that? This isn't an Anaconda movie. This isn't Jaws. This is real freaking life. What the hell is that? First off, that is bad aim. That landed over here and they're jumping over there. What is that? Oh, no, I'm good. Holy balls. I did not even see that. It's Squarium Fellium, son.
Oh god, Pete, your pedal's close to that one.
Get out. Get out. It's a nurse shark.
Does it hurt?
What's that?
Has it got something in his mouth or something?
Yeah, his arm.
Oh my god. Do you... Why is that blue? Does that person not see this 15-inch... Okay. 15 foot... And... Let me rephrase that. Does anybody see my cock? Alright. There is a whole freaking size of the house anaconda right about to take your child for a breakfast lunch snack. Yeah, you better get out. Oh, I'm out. I'm moving. I'm moving to a different country. Is that Croc in the sewer? It is in the sewer. What is it eating?
Sheldon Fox in there with his suit on and like the several layers that he has.
Alright, I'm gonna jump in there and try to get him out, guys.
Alright, yep.
Oh, he's f***ing on. He's f***ing on.
Oh, he's getting destroyed by the bird.
Oh, he's gonna come on. Oh, he's going on.
That bird does not care about anything.
Get out of there, son.
Oh! Did it just semen all over his hand? What is that? Is that mozzarella cheese?
Here we go. You've eaten that little. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in the corner of the jaw.
Nah. Cut the line, buddy. Cut it. It looks like you ate a fishing hook too, buddy. Oh, that is a menace if I've ever seen one. What is he running from? Oh my gosh. I would have shat all over myself, bruh. I'm not even playing around with no bear. I don't care if I'm a photographer that's on National Geographic. I am not fucking with the damn bear. These people are crazy. White people, what can I say? Nah, he changed his mind. He changed his mind. Oh my gosh. Dude just jumped the whole freaking cattle guard. Oh no, he's He just destroyed that car with his penis. And people want to mess with... Is this Jurassic Park?
Ever seen anything that big?
I have.
I think that's two guys in an alligator suit.
Alright. What? Alpaca's about to spit in your mouth, buddy. Eat that, buddy.
This dude is getting in the way of me going to the bar. And he's really scary.
This baboon gives no
Please don't come
fucks.
this way. I don't like this. The bar is that way. Please move.
My buddy is literally not caring about anything. Not a worry in the world. A cold beer in his... Bro, why is he sitting like an uncle at a barbecue? Alright, what's going on here?
No!
Oh, he wants some ice. Alright, that's all she cares about.
Here comes.
How did the bear get in the car? Smokey the Bear, you're supposed to prevent wildfires, not windshields. What's going on here? Oh, you know that hurt. How did he get in the car? Need some explanation here. Buddy has a freaking pet squirrel. Wait, he has a pet squirrel. It has rabies. It's gonna get attacked, bro. Garfield wasn't putting up with that damn squirrel. Kick that tuk-tuk into high gear, buddy. Wait. That dog's on rabies. You know the safari guide's like, don't move. Watch him, he's just gonna tilt the whole tuk-tuk over. Oh my gosh, they're surrounded. Oh, it's gonna jump on the camera. What has this world come to? How on earth is Kung Fu Bear, Brother Bear, doing that? Did he just throw it around like he was in the Is he playing with... Nah, we're doomed. Humanity is doomed. And we got Mr. Krabs out here trying to shank somebody. He's done with Plankton. He's done with Plankton. How is he holding that? Bruh. Not a military guy scared of a goose.
Oh my god. He's so mad.
Why is he just picking on the front guy, too?
Yeah, I kept trying to tell him, don't stop, just keep walking.
Oh my gosh. Buddy, there's a cobra. Buddy, there's a cobra. Oh my gosh, dude had the reaction time of a gerbil. Bruh. Whoa, watch out, man. I know that's not what I think it is. Did A Bug's Life make their own rope out of each other's? No. That is teamwork if I've ever seen it. There is no way this is real life, bro. Ah, you got a squid backpack. Sorry, octopus backpack. Buddy just wants a ride.
And we're recording, so we've just been looking for barramundi out here and doing a Eucalyptus Wild Tour. And we've just been spearing barramundi just along these.
It's only in Australia, bro. They just play around with animals.
Little bit of luck.
Steve Irwin, bro.
Kind of had to
Rest in peace to the legend.
Gotta be careful because at the end of the day, this is saltwater crocodile country. You can see how crystal clear this water is. And guess what, guys? We were just about to spear a barramundi right here, and then guess what we saw?
Yep. That do be a croc, though.
Я боюсь, он сейчас начнет. Давай.
Give me that. Give me that. Yoink. Oh, nah, he just came all over him, bro. In the ear is crazy. Bro, what? Wherever I live, none of this shit happens, honestly. Let alone, there's the size of a football spider getting inside of the smallest crack ever. And then we got a pigeon that just comes and just yoinks it. Perfect timing. What's going on? Holy balls, it's a bear. Yeah, this is Minnesota. I can smell the pine wood from here. Why didn't he just pull? Oh, he's dead. Right to the jugular. That dude needs to go buy a lottery ticket right now. You were just being stalked by a mountain lion in public. Like, in the city. Like, if I walked outside and went running, never gonna happen in general. And there's a mountain lion stalking me, yeah, just call it. Get my tombstone now. And we got Shamu about to take out this boat. Oh, there's like 6 of them. How fast are they going? That looks like the dump I just took, honestly. Oh. I'm honestly the kid, bruh. What is that, a bear? I love the bear. Teamwork at its finest, and who took a shit? Why are they taking that back to the colony? What did that... Bruh, whoever's at the front of that line, get him a pay raise. He is pulling weight. The people in the back are just moral support. Who in their right mind is going tent camping in Africa? All right. So this is the high IQ. You know, I've been around many scenarios, playing video games. I always think one step ahead. Also in life, I'm always one step ahead of people. Not being 7 foot, that's irrelevant. I'm running up there with my bear spray. Listen, you're like, why do you have bear spray? It's a lion. Does the same thing. You can spray bear spray on a human and it's going to suck. So it's not just for bears. You spray him until he doesn't know what's happening. Close the tent. You pick up the tent, shake it around till he's like dizzy, and then you just drop it. Just drop it off a cliff, and then you sing the Mufasa song. That's honestly the only way you can take care of this thing. Because being in a car honking is going to do absolutely nothing. You might have a 40 cal in your pocket. Those things, eat those for breakfast. Bear spray. Save someone's life one day. Or just give him a North Face jacket and he'll wear that. Drive a bit closer. Just get out the car. He's like, bruh, give me some privacy. Bro, that thing is not scared of you. Bro, please climb the tent. That'd be so funny. Bro, many of those scenarios, I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, I've never seen any kind of wild animal outside of like the zoo. Actually, that's a lie. I went to Africa. I went on a safari. Saw it out there. But, bro, not gonna lie. Damn, nature. You scary. Honestly, I had a good time reacting to these videos. I hope you guys like this video. A little bit different, not sports, but I'm trying to expand a little. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe if you enjoyed the content. Also, comment below what you guys want to see next. Or if you have any suggestions, I'll check it out. Yeah. Catch you guys in the next video. Later.